the maximum possible number of components in a tone unit is 4. If we have a prehead, a head, a nucleus, and a tail. So there's an example that has got more present. It was better than I expected, you know. It was better than I expected, you know. It was prehead. Better than I expected. Nucleus, I call. Did you know? Tail. It was better than I expected, you know. You try it with me. It was better than I expected, you know. Again. It was better than I expected, you know. Notice the weak form of was it was better, characteristically used in an unstressed position. It was better than I expected. So, here we've got these 4 components: prehead, head, nucleus, tail. I've put brackets, parentheses, round each of them except the nucleus, because they're optional, they're not necessarily present. The nucleus is always there, but the other components may or may not be there. Now when I say they're optional, this doesn't exactly mean that you exercise a free choice. It's going to depend upon the structure of the utterance, on the words that you use. If at the beginning there are unstressed syllables or unaccented syllables, then you have a prehead. If there aren't any such syllables, then you don't. This means that if you begin with a word that's accented, if the stress is on the first syllable of that word, what do you want? No prehead. If it's a word that has an unstressed syllable at the beginning, well then there is going to be. Remarkably strange. Remarkably, now because remarkably has unstressed at the beginning, that means there's got to be a prehead. So it's determined by the structure of the words that are used. Likewise, at the end we've got the nucleus. If there are words or syllables following it, unaccented, then we have a tail. Again, if you end with a content word, lexical item, and it has final stress, then there's going to be no tail. This is one of my friends. This is one of my friends. Friends, monosyllable, nothing after it, no tail. But if you say, this is one of my acquaintances, acquaintances. Now, acquaintances, you've got 2 unstressed syllables, therefore there's a tail. So it's just determined by the choice of lexical item, in that case, friends or acquaintances. And that's what I mean by saying that it's optional, but you don't really exercise any separate choice.